Hi friends, today I'm going to share a very interesting feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is called Morph transition. It's very interactive transition between the slides. You do not need to have great PowerPoint skills or animation skills as such. You can simply use one trick to make your slides very powerful, very interactive, and very professional. Let's see how it works. I will just go to the PowerPoint. As you can see, I already have one slide added with the logo of my YouTube channel, Knowledge Junction. Let's see if, when I move, I just want to add few more slides that what my channel actually have. It has a different videos on different topics like Power BI, Excel, Word, SAP, and few other things. So if I want to just present it to someone in a professional way, in an interactive way, what I can do, I can simply copy this slide like this, just create a duplicate slide over here. What I want to do this slide, this logo should go maybe on this side and the size should reduce like this, like this. And then I will just add another picture from my computer. I will go to images. Maybe I will just take a Power BI image over here. So what I want to say that I have a Power BI related learning videos on my channel. Maybe I can say insert a text box over here. We will say Power BI, or maybe we can say learn with us, like this, just to keep the video short. Just make this slightly bigger, bold, and just like this. Okay, like this. Now I want to add the next topic. Maybe it's Excel or Word or something else on the different slide. I'm going to talk about Power BI on this slide. The next slide I make again this as duplicate slide over here. What I wanted to do is just to keep this on my slide like this and go slightly smaller like this, and then I will insert another picture. This time let's say SAP, like this, right? And then create another duplicate slide like this, make this, move this over here. So this is like you are presenting each of these items, and the next time and on the next slide this item moves to another area of your or of the slide, and you bring on the next topic to discuss. Let's add a picture from this device. Maybe we say MS Word, like this, right? Okay, maybe we can just add one more picture. So this is over here like this, and we can add another slide, another picture from here. Very easy. Let's say Excel VBA, and make it duplicate, and over here we will just make this align with others, and here we can say thank you, like this. Okay, so this is what we have done. So we have 5 slides, 6 slides. On each slide, on this slide we are talking about Power BI, on this slide we are talking about SAP, but we are keeping Power BI that we discussed previously. On this slide we are talking about Microsoft Excel, but previous topics are here, and same with Excel. And on the last slide we have all 4 topics that we discussed on the other side, and a thank you as a text. Now what we have to do, we have to select all the slides and go to transitions and select morph. Right, that's it. Let's play the slides. So this is our very first slide. If I just click, you see the main logo moved to the one side and our Power BI logo appears. So we have not done any animation, it is just the transition. Now let's go to the second slide, like this. Right, now move on to the next slide, like this. Excel and VBA. So we have not done any animation. It is simple, a transition that you can use with your Power BI slide deck to make this looks very professional. If you do not have any PowerPoint skills, it does not matter. Simply follow these steps and you will have a very good slide pack to present to your friends or to your boss or to your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I have many other videos on my channel on Power BI, SAP, Microsoft Word and Excel and VBA. So please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.